Hello and thanks for joining me for this Back to Basics course. It's going to be a multi-part series where we go over the basics of various different types of equipment and software. This series is aimed at more complete beginners, so if you're more of an advanced user then you may find our later videos or some of our help guides a lot more useful. This is going to be a mix of presentations and practical guides, such as what cable goes where, and what equipment you need and how to set it up. We're going to be covering some common setups and hardware configurations to give you a good idea on how to get yourself all set up. So in this series, we're going to talk about different types of radio software, different types of hardware, cables, a basic setup to get on air, expanding our setup with more microphones and additional devices, and upgrading to better components for a more advanced studio. So, ready to get started? Well, join me in the next episode where we're going to go over some of the radio software that's available to you, as well as some descriptions to help you decipher the complex radio jargon you may stumble upon. You can find the full series on our Radio.co University, which you can access from the link in the description on this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.